Hello, little adventurers, and welcome to the Giggle Galaxy Forest quiz. Today, we're taking a journey deep into the magical forest, where friendly animals and tall trees are waiting to meet you. Our wise owl, curious squirrel, and all their forest friends have some fun questions ready for you. So, get your thinking caps on, and let's explore together. Are you ready to test your forest knowledge and have some fun? Let's begin our adventure. What animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Lion. B. Deer. C. Bear. A. Lion. Which bird is known for its hooting sound at night? A. Eagle. B. Owl. C. Woodpecker. B. Owl. Which plant is known for having sharp needles? A. Rose. B. Sunflower. C. Cactus. C. Cactus.